Many Android users face a problem where app close automatically or stop working in the background. This usually happens because Android restricts data and battery usage. Now let me show you the correct way to fix this. First, we need to allow the app to use data properly. For this, open your phone settings, then go to apps. Now select the app that keeps closing automatically. Open data usage and make sure mobile data, Wi-Fi data and background data are all turned on. If data is restricted, the app will close again and again. Now let's move to step number 2. Go back to settings, open battery and then tap on app launch or manage app launch. Find the same app and turn off auto manage or app launch. After this, allow the app to run freely in the background. Next, step number 3. Open your phone settings and go to battery and check battery saver mode. If it is turned on, simply turn it off. Battery saver mode limits apps and causes auto close problems. Now the last step, if you are using any cleaner boosters or battery saver apps, uninstall them. These apps force close background apps and create this issue. After doing all these steps, start your phone once and check the app again. In most cases, the auto close app problem will be fixed.